Designed to fit the site's landscape and blend with the local architectural vernacular, 3 structures on a 75-acre lot in Columbia County, New York, resolve contradictions to provide a home for a young family of 4. The main house includes 2 garages, 7 bedrooms, 4 living areas, yet feels like an intimate home. Comprised of 2 volumes, a rectangular wood-sided volume intersects a shingled pitched roof structure. The former contains a large garage, guest bedrooms, and a playroom, and can be closed off when not in use from the shingled structure, which contains the family bedrooms and main living spaces. The entry to a screened porch lies on axis with the entry hallway, with sweeping views across the valley to one side. A covered outdoor terrace overlooks the pool and provides a panoramic view, unobstructed by columns. Stone steps lead down to a long pool and continue into the pool, reminiscent of ancient stepwells found in India. A separate guest house for long-term visitors is limited to 900 square feet by local zoning ordinances, but contains 2 bedrooms, a living, dining, kitchen area, and a large wrapping screen porch nestled in trees with a view and within earshot of the river that borders the property. A barn is located in another meadow on the property and creates spaces for activities in inclement weather and holds a large PV solar array. The compound uses geothermal energy for heating and cooling with efficient heat pumps that greatly reduce the need for fossil fuel energy.